95.3 FM.
6CBA World Radio.
Gaffer,
Yeah.
there's something I need to address with you.
Okay.
Most Sundays,
Yeah.
we watch movies.
We do have a movie
Just
night.
to chill out, just to relax, just before the working week starts up again.
Yeah. What's the matter?
You have a habit of picking these really B-grade, bad cartoon movies.
B grade? They're not B grade.
I think some people need to hear what you've been doing.
Okay.
For instance, you had this obsession to want to watch this one movie. It's an animation movie, 3D animation. Everyone's excited about that.
Yeah.
And a lot of the time, I'm pretty good with them.
Yeah.
Like Shrek and things, I like those movies.
Yeah. Bit of humour in them.
Yeah. And, obviously it's an animation, so they have a lot of time to think about what they're doing before they present it in animation form.
Yeah.
Not this movie.
No.
Mm.
Why? What one?
The Guardian.
Oh. Just feel it in your gizzards.
Bit of a film review for you. The Guardian isn't the most exciting flick.
It's the one with the owls and he's got to protect.
Great animation. Storyline's a bit of a bummer.
Wasn't that bad, man. I thought, it's a good moral thing where the owl has to be a hero, grow up, It's all about growing up and being a real hero.
And there's plot flaws. For example, these owls live in the burrow of a tree.
Yeah.
And they can talk and things, which is great. I don't mind animals talking. They need to talk. They need to tell the story. But then there's a plot flaw, how they have a pet or a friend snake.
Yeah, okay.
Birds and snakes don't go together. We all know that.
Crackles Gafa.
That is one flaw.
Second flaw.
Okay.
All the characters sound very similar, like it's just one person doing the voices.
All right. Well, yeah.
What happened?
Maybe it was
budget cut.
Or
I didn't
make the movie. Crack.
Okay, doesn't just stop at The Guardian.
Yeah.
You've picked many other ones.
Well, yeah. There's a few good ones. I enjoy
a few limp ones as well.
Yeah.
B grade.
Well, they're not B grade, are they?
I think they are.
They're probably G grade. Gaffer movies.
Another one, Jeff. How to Train Your Dragon.
That is a good movie.
I don't think anyone's even seen that. If you have seen it, give us a call, 92275953. I doubt it.
It's a great movie.
And if you have seen it, you've only been forced to see it. It was not a must watch. But you deny it, right? You reckon these are still great movies, right?
I still enjoy them though.
Yeah.
I mean, I could probably watch How You Train a Dragon again and again. Even, Aladdin.
I feel sick.
That's an old one, but a goodie.
And they're all cartoon and animation movies.
They're kids' movies.
Don't hit the film industry, Jeff. They don't even hit the big screen.
Yeah, but they're
the reason why.
Heartwarming stories, Crack.
Yeah, well, go down to the muffin shop and buy a muffin, and I'm sure someone will tell you a great story. But I have reason, Jeff.
Okay.
I have reason to believe why this is happening, and I think you need to understand why it's happening.
I'm open to these suggestions.
All right. Let's just say a while back. Okay. When was the last time you've gone to the cinemas? When was the last time?
A month ago, I reckon.
Yeah. Did you plan on going to the cinemas but never went?
Yeah.
In that time?
Yeah.
Yeah. When was this?
I had a date with a girl.
Yes, you did, didn't you?
Yeah, I got stood up.
So we talked about this before on radio.
Yeah.
And apparently, Gaff, you were going to go to the movies with this girl.
Yeah.
She was going to catch the train to meet you.
That's right, yeah.
Then she said, "Oh, sorry, I didn't realise the time."
Yeah, she let me down.
Got a bail.
I have a feeling it was a lie.
What movie were we going to see?
I don't know. But it was a cartoony one.
What was it?
Oh, it could have been maybe the Horton Hears. No, Last Airbender, I think it was. Maybe
Last Airbender.
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah.
B grade. B grade, Gaff. Don't you see?
Why don't women like my movies?
Not even the girls want to go to the movies with you because of your movie choices.
Maybe I should just go see one I don't like. You reckon?
Something's got to change.